Hey family, and welcome back to my channel. I am doing some well-needed self-care. I actually went and I got a full body Swedish massage first before this, but I forgot to film because it's so nasty outside and I was running in, running out, so I completely forgot to film. But while I was sitting here, I said to myself, you haven't filmed and you said you was going to start to do Sunday resets. So guys, here is my Sunday reset. This is definitely new for the channel, and I definitely hope that you guys enjoy this kind of content because it's on my vision board, and I am definitely doing self-care this year. Like, I have to take care of me. So I don't go to the salon like that often to get my nails and stuff done. I do go at least once a month. I haven't been there since the week before Christmas actually. So every time I would say I'm gonna go, I like to go on Sundays. So today is Sunday, and I like to go on Sundays. There's less people there, it's not as hectic, and I feel like I get in and get out pretty quick. So this is the beginning of my reset. It is 11 o'clock in the morning, and I am getting myself pampered for my trip tomorrow. Hey family, if this is your first time seeing me, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Hey guys, if you like this kind of content, we do interior design, lifestyle, and DIYs on this channel. So if that is what you're looking for, go ahead and stick around. Okay family, so I am back home now, and I want to go lay down. Like, that massage makes me want to go lay down, but I have so much to do. I have been so busy this entire week. Babe and I have been so busy preparing to leave for this trip, and I left like a lot of things to do today, which was not a good idea. So yeah. So today I actually have to wash, because if you guys know me and you know from my other videos, when you see me traveling, you always hear me say I do not travel and leave dirty clothes in my house, like in my dirty clothes per se. So I don't leave dirty clothes. So I am washing. I have been saying to myself since Friday, hey, why don't you put a load of clothes in? Why did you put, like, now I'll do it tomorrow. And then Saturday came and we were on the road the entire day. So I still didn't get to do any washing, and I've been having this severe headache, and that is because I am fasting. We're now on our 40-day fast, so our fast does not end until the 24th of February. And I had a headache this entire week. I've been having a headache. So when I would come home, I would just go to sleep, and then I'll get up, and it could be like 2:30 in the morning, and I'll go do the work I have to do on the computer and different stuff like that. So I've been kind of tired because we've been running up and down trying to ship stuff and get stuff, put in place for our trip. So it's been kind of crazy. So guys, what I have noticed with this beautiful sink that I got when I was doing my countertops, I noticed, because I hate to see dirty dishes. Like, I'd be like, oh my god, those dishes need to wash. Like, I don't like to see dirty dishes. I don't like to see a dirty kitchen. But I noticed, because this sink is so deep, instead of me washing up right after I cook or eat something, I would put it down in the sink and you can't see it. And I'll be like, yeah, I'm gonna come back and I'll wash it. And sometimes I don't come back till I'm ready to cook again, which could be another day. So these dishes have been there since Friday, because I didn't cook on Saturday. Saturday I just ate a sandwich after my fast was over. And yeah, they've been in there since Friday. And I probably add a cup or a spoon or something to it, and they just been down in the sink. You can't see them. So I've been getting away with that. And I'm like, I'm washing the dishes now, and I'm like, this is not a lot of dishes, but you gotta stop. This foolishness you here doing, it gotta stop. So guys, I have a dishwasher, but I do hand wash my dishes most of the time. And then I let them drain, like you see me putting them in the side. That side drainer that came with my sink, I let them drain off there, the water. And then I'll put them down in the dishwasher so that they can dry out. So what you saw me doing first was moving some stuff that I did put there that was supposed to go down in the dishwasher after they drained out, but they end up just staying there. That have to be up from on Friday, because I would wash. I can't cook and have dirty dishes. I have to clean the kitchen first before I start cooking. So I'm about to cook some dinner for myself, and so I'm kind of like washing these dishes out first, and then I will put them away in the dishwasher and let them finish drying in there. But yeah, this is a bad habit that I'm picking up, and I need to really catch myself on this. Like, I don't know, I have nobody here with me to dirty any dishes. It's just me and babe, and I don't know why. Like, after you use something, clean it up. That's what I used to tell my kids when they used to live with me. And now they're not here, the things I used to complain about, I'm slowly seeing myself doing it. So I got to fix that. I definitely got to fix that. So guys, I am supposed to wash my hair, and I'm telling you right now, it's not happening, because if I wash my hair, it's going to go back natural, because I did press it out, so that's why it's looking so straight. And then I'm gonna have to sit and press it out again, which is going to take me a good 2 hours or so. So it's not happening. I am going to gel it down to put it back in one. I'm going to walk with my stuff, and if I am feeling, if I'm feeling up to it, or if I end up having to I need to wash it or whatever, I will. But for right now, it's not gonna happen. I needed to have only had that to do today, which is my hair. Probably go get my nails done and come and do my hair, but I haven't started packing yet or nothing. I still have to go on the computer to do some work when I go upstairs. So yeah, I need to check into this flight. Yeah, so I would definitely be filming, so you guys will see some of content down there. I'm going to try to go live when I am on my trip as well, and I've decided it's going to be on YouTube. So I am through cleaning the kitchen. I'm ready to cook, so I'm lighting my little candle. I got this candle from Kirtland's, and I like the eucalyptus scent. I don't have eucalyptus in my line. I need to put it in because I really like it. So now here we go. I am about to cook. Okay, so guys, this is how I get rid. This is the pot that I fry in. When I'm frying anything, like I have to deep fry anything, this is the pot that I use. So that's why it's like that, and that's how I get rid of my oil. I will pour it into a plastic bag, and then I'll throw it away that way. So I wash the pot out, and I am now heating it up, and I am going to make some plantain cups. Okay, so I saw this on Instagram. They used saltfish, but in case you guys didn't know, I am vegan, so I don't eat meat, nor do I eat fish. I'm still like eating like certain dairy stuff. I still do milk. I don't think I'll ever stop having milk and having dairy, but I am trying my best to use a lot of plant-based. I try to be more plant-based. So basically what I'm doing is I'm putting some salt in some water, and then you're going to put the plantains in the water, and I'm going to let them sit there and soak for a bit while the pot gets hot, and I add the oil in until the oil is ready, and then I'm going to take them out and put them in the pot. So what I like to do is I like to let my pot get hot first, before I add the oil, because to me, when you add the oil to in the pot for it to get hot, it takes longer. But if the pot is really hot and then you add the oil, it's not as long. So I do have the stove on medium because you want these to slow fry. You don't want them to fry too quick. Now I normally do this, even though I saw the cup idea, using it as a cup. I saw that idea on Instagram, but this is how I normally do Babe's his plantains anyway. Except I don't do it in a cup. I would do it flat. So I would have pressed that out flat and then put it back in to fry. That's how they do their plantains. So it's not like ripe plantains, but they're like semi. I like them semi-ripe. He likes them completely green. So yeah, this was just a new idea I saw, and I was like, let me try this one. Let me see if it's gonna work. And it definitely does work. And I made 6 of them, but I ate only 3. I thought I would have been able to. I was like, these are small. I'm gonna be able to eat them, but I was only able to eat 3 of them. So after they fry, you want to take them out, and I'm turning them over. I'm flipping them like over so that the oil would drain out of them. And what I'm going to do now is I am going to cut up my vegetables that I am going to place inside of the cups. So I'm using purple onions. I'm using tomatoes, sweet peppers, what do you call that other thing? Mushrooms. And then I also got some plant-based sausage. Now, when I used to eat meat, I never ate sausage. So I don't know why I got plant-based sausage, but I guess I want to be in thing. So that's why I got it. But you're going to see how I do it. And like I said, this is not new for me. I do it, but we just didn't do the plantains in a cup. We didn't turn the plantains like into a little cup bowl. They would have been flat. So I use this frying pan, but you're gonna see where I changed the frying pan because it's too small. And I forgot to cut up the onions, cut them like in half, because if they wasn't cut in half and I have to put them in different bowls, it would have been like not cool, basically. So I do use extra virgin olive oil to cook with. I would have used it to fry with, but I didn't have enough, so I used the regular oil. So here is the plant-based sausage that I am now cutting up to put in the pot. So you can see where I got a bigger pot because I realized that frying pan that I was using was not going to be big enough to do everything. So basically I am sauteing the vegetables, and I haven't added any seasoning in as yet. I'm now adding in I let them cook, the onions and stuff cook halfway, and then I added the what do you call those things, the mushrooms, and I ordered some green peas, and now I'm adding the seasoning into it. So what I did, guys, is I just added a little piece of butter because I didn't want to put any more olive oil. So I added a little piece of butter in it, and I'm going to just let that melt in to just make the mixture a little bit more wet, and then we're finished. And I forgot to add garlic. So that is what you just saw me put in there, is some garlic. I love to put garlic in my food because garlic kills bacteria. So normally whatever I'm cooking, it has garlic in it. Whether it has meat or not, I use garlic. So these cups turned out pretty nice. I was impressed. Really, really impressed. And like I said, I thought I would have been able to eat at least 5 of them. But I was only able to consume 3, and actually I struggled with the third one. So basically all I'm doing is stuffing them with the vegetables, and that's it. That's all you have to do. And then you just serve and consume. So the person that I saw doing this as a cup, they added saltfish to their vegetables. But like I said, I don't eat meat, nor do I eat poultry, nor do I eat seafood. So my next best thing was, I was like, let me try this sausage. Okay, family, so now we're on to doing the laundry. So I'm folding these clothes, right? But I really don't want to. And I said, either you're gonna fold them now or you gotta fold them when you come back. Which one you want to do? So I'm like, yeah, let me just fold them now. I was like, let me just fold them now. Okay, guys, finally she's packing. Finally, I did not want to come from downstairs until all the clothes were washed, because I was like, I am not going to be running up and down these stairs to be pulling clothes from the laundry. I'm not doing that. So what I'm basically doing is I'm trying to count out clothing, because I hate overpacking. So I'm trying to count. I know how many days I'm going to be gone for, and I always pack like one extra outfit, but I know how many days I'm going to be gone for, so I'm counting an outfit for each day, and then I'll have my extras, then I'll have like my extra shirts, that kind of thing. I always walk with extra underwear, so I know that I am going to be going out. So I was going to wear a jeans, but then I decided, no, I don't want to wear no jeans. I'm going to wear this shirt with my sneakers. Yeah, so basically, I'm going to pack some stuff, in case I have to go out anywhere. I want to make sure that I have at least 2 outfits to select from for that. So I'm also deciding what bags I want to walk with, what shades I'm going to walk with. I have to put some sandals in there, and then I'll be finished. So guys, this is my reset, even though I am like resetting to go. This is my reset, and I will definitely be vlogging while I'm on my trip, so you guys will still get a video on Wednesday. So guys, do have a good one, and remember, we are pressing forward, and I will see you on Wednesday.